Try and score with this quiz about soccer, also referred to as football by much of the world, through history. In 1958, this player became the FIFA World Cup's youngest goal scorer. A. Pelé. B. Diego Maradona. C. Cristiano Ronaldo. Answer A. Pelé achieved this milestone at 17 years old during the 1958 quarterfinal against Wales. What year was soccer recognized as an official Olympic sport? A. 1921. B. 1981. C. 1908. Answer C. Soccer was the first team sport to be added to the Olympics. It was first added in 1900, but it was not recognized as an official Olympic sport until 1908. The first official soccer match for this country took place in 1876. A. New Zealand. B. Canada. C. Albania. Answer B. Canada's first official soccer match took place in Toronto between the Carlton Cricket Club and the Toronto Lacrosse Club. Canadian soccer icon Christine Sinclair holds the all-time record for the most international goals scored. How many years did she play professionally before retiring? A. 24 years. B. 10 years. C. 15 years. Answer A. Christine Sinclair scored 190 goals in her career, more than any other player in the world. She ended her 24-year career in 2024. The earliest version of soccer began in China over 2,000 years ago. What were the balls made of back then? A. Rubber balls filled with air. B. Leather balls filled with feathers, hair, or grains. C. Felt balls filled with sunflower seeds. Answer B. Leather balls filled with feathers, hair, or grains were kicked through a small opening in a net. The official Football Association was formed in this year. A. 1863. B. 1983. C. 1901. Answer A. The Football Association was officially formed on October 26, 1863 in London. Representatives from 12 clubs met to establish the rules for football. Many of these rules still stand today.